and our teachers brought out the most hidden talents of our children to make this day the most memorable for our little champs. Teachers enthusiastically prepared skits, songs, stories based on moral values for them to make their day so special. परख राष्ट्रीय सर्वेक्षण 2024 आप सब जानते हैं कि नए सर्वे कंट्री वाइड कंडक्ट किया गया है. School led the unique national level experience of examination for grade 3, 6 and 9 at a district level, which was organized by NCERT in collaboration with CBSE to gather information about overall students' level of achievement. Next, Christmas celebration. Christmas is the spirit of giving without the thought of getting and spreading the emotions of love. Christmas carols are sung to spread the joy of season. Christmas is the time to give and forgive. Celebrated everywhere as a joyous family affair, we too at school celebrated Christmas as a happy time for our children. A special assembly of little children based on Santa Claus story was held in the school premises. We wish you a Merry Christmas, dashing through the snow, filling the air with festivity. The red fervor of Christmas filled in the hearts of children with a new energy and positivity. World Mental Health Day. It is a day of global mental health education, awareness and advocacy against social stigma. School is very keen to take care of children's all-round development. Part of it was a celebration of World Health Mental Day. Special session was organized by the school councillor to highlighting the day for both the teachers and the students. It was indeed a great pleasure in knowing various facts of human behavior. Activities were quite arranged in such a way so as to lessen the burden on their minds and make them feel free, happy and relaxed. Teachers' Day celebration. Teachers' Day celebration, September 5th, was observed on the occasion of birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. His footsteps the teachers follow are being proved on Teachers' Day. The performance of students on stage exclusively for teachers was a memorable one. Students from class 1 to 10 exhibited their talents as a treat to the teachers. Dance, music made the day explicable. The students took great efforts and ensured that the teachers enjoy every minute. Followed by the cultural program, games like musical chair, treasure hunt were conducted by the students for the teachers. Staff training. A person who never makes a mistake never tries anything new. In keeping with the school's policy of continuous upgradation of knowledge and skills, our teachers attended various workshops and seminars organized by the schools, by CBSE and other institutions, and so as to improve their academic, transaction skills and to update their capabilities. This year, teachers were trained specifically for the harmony in classroom and symphony of learning. They were given special training to manage stress. Diwali celebration. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated all over India in order to welcome Lord Rama back home after his victory over evil. As a special day, students of our school had various activities like Rangoli competition, greeting card making and open art competition. Morning assembly echoed with colorful dance and music enclosed with a special skit where Lord Rama wins the battle over Ravana and arrives in Ayodhya was designed and presented to keep students informed about the mythological background of the festival. Integrated English module culminating event. It is the most activity-oriented subject wherein students apply all the skills like team building, collaborative skills, creative and thinking skills, problem solving, and get ready with their projects, worksheets, and demos. It is a subject which gives them hands-on experience and how to put language for effective communication. Variety of themes allotted were pattern prism, mirror musings, plastic everywhere, making whole curriculum integrated and real-life based to have experiential learning apart from the curriculum. Field trips. Field trips are important. As they say, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Apart from this curriculum and the school working days, field trips were arranged. It was important to enhance classroom learning by providing students with the real-world experience of the concept they have learned and to explore more beyond the book. Our students of grade 1 to 10 visited aquarium at Savantwadi, which was bound with fun as well as written information related to different species of aquatic animals and its habitats. For our volunteer program, to give back to the society for various noble causes, activities and support for the needy. Our students consolidated donations to various organizations and needy individuals by reaching to various NGOs, orphanages and old age homes like Savita Ashram, etc. They also generously contributed and extended their helping hand towards all of them. Also, they prepared entertainment program for them to have a nice time with them all and be a happy moment of their life. This was the most heart-touching moments experienced by our Bodharites, thus leaving them with the value of joy in giving back. This we have made the children realize that how privileged they are that they get all the facilities at their disposal, wherein there are children underprivileged who really are deprived from all these kind of facilities and education. Sports Day. To be a great champion, you must believe you're the best. If you're not, keep on trying. Sports competition inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for their life ahead. Sports games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students actively captains of various house and school sports and cultural captains along with deputies were selected. The confidence level of the candidates was expressed and commitments towards fulfilling the vision and the mission of the school were the key action point of the ceremony. Student councils took an oath for maintaining school discipline and core values of education. PTA, Parents Teacher Association. PIS CBSE Kankauli has a strong, committed, knowledgeable, effective, efficient, involved and positive association that continuously meets and works on providing the best school infra, services, academics and co-curricular development to our children. PTA Committee of 24-25 was operational and worked tirelessly. They were respondent and quite actively participating in each and every call by the school, making it possible to move ahead hand in hand. Parents-teacher meeting and open house. Regular, professional, approachable, effective and efficient PTM and open house happened throughout the year and will happen tomorrow around the corner. Face-to-face with teachers to help parents discuss and find updates and solutions in all aspects of their child. Together we can and we will lead our children to excellence. All parents and students' queries were attended by the teachers, making learning a smooth experience throughout the year. Fire drills. Fire drills. As a part of mandatory safety and security norms, unintimated fire drills are conducted in order to provide complete training and knowledge to all children and staff for any emergency situations and preventive measures to follow. Demonstrations by teachers, students and the staff clarified the procedures for all students. Yoga Day celebration. Yoga does not change the way we see things. It transforms the person who sees. To promote yoga and create awareness about its benefits, our school observed the International Yoga Day to bring transformation in our school students. Yoga was put as an indispensable part of students' life and discipline, making mind and body both healthy, and we are in the regular practice of yoga every Saturdays. That is, at least soon after the assembly we practice yoga as a regular method. Ashadi Ekadashi. To inculcate cultural values of devotion and have a familiarity with rituals of Ashadi Ekadashi, students were disguised in the attire, Lord Vittal and Goddess Rukmani, and a complete aura of spirituality was spread. To have peace of mind and bliss was perpetuated. The purpose was to keep students rooted to their traditional customs. Independence Day celebration. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. To inculcate the feeling of patriotism, Independence Day was celebrated in our school with grave chauvinism by presenting patriotic dance and song by our own choir. The message from leadership was clear: to love the country, be patriotic, respect freedom, and respect all the citizens of the country. The ambience was filled with zeal and fervor for nation. Moving on to Ganapati festival. With a great pomp and gaiety, a child robed as Lord Ganesha was welcomed by the whole school. Lord Ganesh was accompanied by Dol Tasha to create real ambience. An informative background was kept on one by one of the student to give other students the basic concept behind this biggest festival observed in Konkan region especially. Aarti was sung by all together and culminated with Ganapati Bappa Moria, filling their hearts with happiness, joy and zeal. Coming up to next is Hindi Divas. Hindi भाषा नहीं, भावों की अभिव्यक्ति है. यह मातृभूमि पर मर मिटने की भक्ति है. It serves to promote and propagate the Hindi language. It is also celebrated to inculcate love for Hindi language and get knowledge on the importance of Hindi Divas. In our school, we encourage students to prepare charts and various skits, poem recitation, Swarchit, Kavya Sangra, etc. The activities were to inculcate national language as a part and parcel of their life and offer respect to the language. Next, Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas was celebrated in our school in a very different way, as each of our students prepared a thank you greeting card and a thank you note to honor Kargil war heroes. It was to commemorate their sacrifice and instill patriotism in our students. Next, Navratri Dandiya. The auspicious festival of Navratri was celebrated as a Dandiya celebration at school campus. Parents, teachers and students celebrated it together with joy, emotions and fervor. Best dancer, best costume, best performer prizes were given to the parents, students and staff members, to the colorful delight with a tint of devotion to it. The decorations and the deity images of Mata Rani left everybody enthralled, and the devotional songs created an aura of Durga Puja's importance. Next, Children's Day. It reminds us the birth of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, the country's first Prime Minister. Every child is a different kind of flower, and altogether they make this world a beautiful garden. Keeping this in mind, this day was celebrated in various ways in our school, and our teachers brought out the most hidden talents of. We are proud to be a Podarite. हम पोदार ग्रुप को बिलोंग करते हैं एवं गर्व से कहते हैं, बड़े शान से कहते हैं कि हम पोदाराइट हैं. उसमें the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and one to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. ये मार्टिन लूथर किंग ने बड़े अच्छे से कोट किए हैं एजुकेशन के बारे में, how it functions. Reflecting on 15 incredible years with Podar, मैं 15 साल से जुड़ी हुई हूँ Podar एसोसिएशन में. I am filled with gratitude and pride. Being a part of such a respected and esteemed organization has not only shaped my career, but has also inspired me every day to strive for this excellence. Podar brand. To say about Podar brand, is one among those educators and is renowned for his tag. Tag बोले तो Tech Avant-Garde, mainly based on technological services to enhance parents and pupils' support, and is made accessible to the user from anywhere, any place and on any device. They develop and provide continuum training on software operation systems, which includes various innovative digital tools into the learning process such as 3D printer, visualized based teaching learning methods, smart class, as today's generation believe in audio visual learning. आजकल के generation देखकर सीखते हैं. Technology based learning also changes the students teacher dynamic, placing greater responsibilities on students for their education success, and teachers are able to act more as guides. Podar School has an innovative EduTech e-learning facilities, and they provide necessary trainings to the teachers to get acquainted with the new techniques. Developing content for interactive textbooks from grade 1 to 8 of CBSE boards, which includes training and support for the effective use of e-books. Best digital learning. Yes, आजकल we live in tech savvy world. There is an app for everything. हर चीज के लिए app होती है. There are machines that can track the number of steps you take in a day. Information is at everyone's fingertips and it is constantly updated. Gone are the dusty days of encyclopedias, now converted into Wikipedia. And as much as some of us may recollect for actually having to search through a book to gather information, there is no denying the accuracy and speed with which you are now able to learn. Technology, as with more or less everything, is no stranger to education. Technology-related practices are passing through the classroom, resulting in our schools that are increasingly connected online. The potential benefits of technology integrated classroom are vast, and educators are becoming more and more open to the idea of using technology to support their curricular goals. Due to its effective use of technology in education, Podar group of schools was awarded the best ICT-enabled school in all over India. The management of Podar International Schools brings together a great learning community. This year, Podar has bagged awards as follows for the year 2024 and 25. I'm proud to announce this. Recognized as a respected education brand in India by Education World. Most trusted brand in India by Marksman Daily. Recognized as the best education brands by Economic Times. Podar Innovation Center. Our scholastic record, innovative learning methods, and strong commitment to delivering quality through integrity has helped us reach heights that few have managed in the field of education. It also focuses on such comprehensive educational system that fortifies the tender minds into progressive, tech-savvy, yet rooted in our rich culture heritage individuals. Our network of schools aim to fuse the strong cultural fundamentals of Indian society with advanced learning tools acquired from the world over, giving education an exciting and a dynamic direction, thus enabling the young generation face the challenges of 21st century skills. PIC, specialized in curriculum research and development, involves in designing our own publications right from grade 1 to 8. Among all 149 international schools, Podar International School Kankavli, the best renowned international school in all over Sindhudurg district across, was established in the year 2019 and successfully completed its 4th year as on 23-24 and now stepped into the 5th year. I feel proud to be the principal of this esteemed branded institution. To speak more about the progress of the school in this academic session, let's begin with the enrollment for this year, thus adding a number from 401 to 535 plus 100 in Podar Prep pre-primary section. Moving on further, we brief about our achievements both in scholastics and co-scholastics areas. Beginning with thematic learning unit, grade 1 and 2 and 3. Yes. Based on 21st century skills and building foundation right from the base level, our special trained, well-qualified, experienced and expert creative curriculum team, CCT, develops creative and innovative skill-based learning program, especially for the grade level 1, 2 and 3, through which subjects like art, music, physical education, yoga, computer and library Reading skills are integrated and interwoven with one concept to teach and to reach it to the students. School investiture ceremony. This is thematic. A school investiture ceremony. The school always gives top importance to developing leadership and 21st century skills among the students. Accordingly, the investiture ceremony was held at PIS CBSE Kankauli. The entire student council comprising head boy, head girl, captains of various house and
ताजा अपडेट्स आणि ताजा बातम्यांसाठी आजच सबस्क्राइब करा आपला सिंधुदुर्ग डिजिटल न्यूज चॅनेल. लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आणि महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.